Tired of vacuuming or mopping only for the mess to come back? Or worse, fixing what your cleaning robot missed? The ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI changes all that. Most traditional robot vacuums either can't mop efficiently or just smear dirt around with a dirty pad. In double disc mops, they often miss corners and struggle with carpet transitions. But the T80 OMNI solves all of that with cutting-edge technology and true hands-free experience. This is what it comes inside of the box. Comes with the main base, this one, with the buckets for the water. This one like a ramp that goes in here. The power cable, brush for the vacuum, Roomba vacuum, and the vacuum. Look at this. Let's see the bottom. It has the brush and the mop. Wheels, 3 wheels. This is the top. This is the cover for the top. This one goes like this. Okay. The manual. And a quick guide how to put everything together, this one. So let me put it together so that we can test it out. So this is everything that comes inside the box. Strong mopping is only half of the battle. You also need real suction power to get the job done. And the T80 doesn't disappoint here either. It's equipped with a high-speed motor that generates up to 18,000 PA of suction, which is one of the strongest in any robot vacuum I've tested. Whether it's fine dust in carpet fibers or food crumbs in hard floors, this level of negative pressure lifts it all out effortlessly. But what really impressed me is the upgraded Zero Tangle 3.0 system, which keeps hair from clogging up the brushes. Huge win if you have pets or long hair in your house. Let's start with the AR Clean Anti-Tangle Side Brush. It now uses a dual cluster inward curved bristle design, kind of like a mini propeller, which redirects hair inward toward the suction inlet instead of flinging it outward. This helps improve tangling at edges and improves cleaning precision near baseboards. Then you've got the V-shaped main brush, which features 45 degrees angled bristles that funnel hair toward the center. As the brush spins, hair collects in the middle, where it passes through the row of the V-shaped comb teeth that detangle and push the hair toward the dust bin. It's a really smart design. The opposing forces from the comb and the airflow essentially loosen and eject any tangled strands before they build up. So yeah, I tested it with some synthetic hair and the T80 picked it up without a single strand wrapping around the roller. Zero maintenance needed. Most robot mops only clean themselves after they are done cleaning, which means you are basically smearing dirt around the house the whole time. But the T80, it cleans the mop as it goes. It uses running water and constant pressure, so you are always mopping with clean fresh roller. That means no more streaks, no more dirty water, and no more dealing with a gross, soggy mop pad. It's like having someone clean and rinse the mop for you while you chill on the couch. You know how most robot vacuums just kind of swirl around and skip the corners. Not this one. With the TruEdge 2.0, the T80 knows exactly where the walls are and corners are, and it adjusts its position to hit every inch, even right up against the baseboards. That means no more dust lines along the walls or untouched corners. It actually gets into those tight spaces other vacuums miss. If you ever had to go back with a hand vacuum to finish the job, this completely solves that. This is one of the smartest vacuum I ever used. The T80 OMNI has AIBI 3D 3.0, which means it can see objects in its path before it bumps into them. Shoes, cables, random socks, it avoids them all. Instead of wandering around in random patterns like some robots do, this one plans its route and gets the job done faster and smarter. It's basically cleaning with common sense. It learns the layout of your home, recognizes obstacles in real time, and adapts, so you get consistent, reliable cleaning without interruptions. Most robot dogs just sit there and charge the thing, not the OMNI Station. This one is the next level. It actually washes the mop with clean water, dries it with hot air, and even keeps the mop tray bacteria free. That means you are not stuck dealing with a nasty mop pad after every cleaning. It takes care of itself. It's like having a tiny cleaning crew inside the station doing the dirty work for you. So no more scrubbing mop pads, no weird smells, no hassle. Just top off the clean water and dump out the dirty tank once in a while. And that's it. Total maintenance, free cleaning. This station truly does it all. So is the ECOVACS T80 OMNI worth it? If you're tired of doing the cleaning yourself or disappointed by half-baked robots that don't deliver, this one is your upgrade. With a smart navigation, powerful suction, self-cleaning mop, and zero maintenance, it's built for people who want to come home and just relax. And thanks to its ultra slim 98mm design, it even gets under furniture most vacuums can reach, like under the bed or under the couch. It's all around smart, simple, and seriously effective. Check the link in the description if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video.